guys, we are halfway in the middle of Castle Forest. We're already exhausted, but we're keeping on. Stay tuned. Cheers. Bye. Got some waterfall. I think you can hear the sound. Yeah, we are near. Yeah. That's all. So, yep. We're somewhere in the middle of the forest. You can hear some noise, some sounds. So guys, this is Bora. Thanks for staying along. We're keeping on going. It's several kilometers, guys. We don't know how long it will take, but stay tuned. Bye. That's a steep right there. It's a very steep one. In the middle of the forest, guys, like literally, and you don't know where our other guys are. So slippery, but yay, nimejihami. So I'm exhausted. It has been, wow, roughly 2 hours on the run. Yeah, so let's continue. Wow guys, you should come to Castle Forest. It's so fun. So guys, at this point we had covered approximately 20 kilometers from the start. Yes, so we were enjoying the vegetations. You could see the tree canopies, and we were 3 groups. The first group had gone, the second also ahead of us, so we were among the third group. Yeah. Like wow, in this forest, they can even they keep these. Yeah, right. Guys, are bees also part of wildlife? Apparently they're being kept there. Food for thought. So here I was confirming the bush looked a bit tampered with, so I was wondering which animal could it be. Here we had waited for the last group. We were told that it wasn't safe to cruise alone through this bamboo bush. So here, that's our tour guide. He was ahead of us, leading us through the forest. Then we met this group of tourists also who had gone through the Castle Forest. So we were asking them how was it, and they said it's nice and it's far. We had to keep on going and going. Yeah, so here we are moving, just following the tour guide, enjoying the bamboo forest. Here I was catching up with the tour guide. He was explaining to me when Castle Forest started, the animals in there. So there was some elephants, cheetahs, tigers, yeah, all the wild animals you could think of, even snakes. So I got a bit afraid, but we kept on going. So he even explained to me that back there, the disturbed bush were elephants.
Is that rain?
No, that's a river.
That's rain.
So umbrella here.
Where?
Umbrella here. Were you not ready for this?
Rain just came. Oh.
Let me grab my umbrella. And you don't have an umbrella. Let's hope it will go like that. It has gone. Guys, I'm the magician. Pay me for that. We have started remaining. Yeah, you're not a starter, right?
Huh? I'm a starter.
Good.
Yes.
But you're doing good. How is it so far?
I'm a man.
Yeah. Like we started my first hike. Look at imagine, I think it was tough. It was tough. Yes, it rained.
Finally, we are seeing some light at the end of the tunnel.
Like there's a valley.
There's a valley.
That's my friend Leah. She's exhausted.
We knew you guys could not manage to go down.
Yeah, I will.
We knew you couldn't. We knew you could not manage to go down. Let's go.
That's my friend Leah, guys. She's exhausted. You remember how when you started the video, she left me literally. Who does that? Descend. Like literally. Like look at that. She's going down there. Oh my goodness.
Guys.
Back. Yay! We are descending, guys. We are cruising nicely.
That shori mwenye akona raincoat is really struggling.
Guys, wengine warusha na dirisha. Guys are almost fell. So like it's giving homo sapiens.
Guys, it's raining.
We finally got there, guys.
You go. Tuende pale, cheki. Di, enda pale. Unatupa kijiti.
At this point, we got to the waterfall. You could see me enjoying the water. The water was extremely cold. And I asked the guide and he told me the water is coming directly from Mount Kenya, and we know the peak of Mount Kenya is ice, so this water is literally melted ice. It was literally cold. We could not swim. Yeah, you could see us being a bit disappointed because we had planned to swim and enjoy the water, but regardless, we enjoyed. I personally enjoyed the water and the breeze. The breeze was giving. Yeah, it was therapeutic, and I'm looking forward to going there again. Yeah, so make sure you visit Castle Forest when the weather is okay. Probably on January, you'll be able to swim. Yes. We enjoyed. So also the breeze was so much we could not get even close to the waterfall. This was the only point I could get personally, though some people were courageous enough to get off their clothes and take a little dive. Yeah, and remember to carry painkillers when going to Castle Forest to avoid catching cold. That's one thing I should not forget to tell you. I took painkillers, but regardless, I still got a cough. Yes.
Going back.
I'm digging it up for slippery. Let me stop.
The journey continues. Wait.
You guys, it's not easy. Are you seriously recording us? It's not easy, guys.
Imagine.
Please don't. Why? I'll send to you. Leave my shoes alone. These are the real.
Wow, the adventure is adventuring.
It's giving.
Yeah?
We need more. This is just a start.
I think it's a snip of it, eh? Just a snip of it.
Not the problem. If you brought us to the beginning of this, like the topmost. Now we
Ulikuwa unatuonjesha.
this is the lowest.
But you know what? This is what I signed up. Slide to the end. I mean, the
I did mzee. Huko chini ni kunaoma. Ni kunaoma. Sasa tutafuata nani? Ndio zetu kwa 70 km.
Guys, it was an adventure. We are finished. No, not yet. Like we are now going back. Like we have seen the falls. We have enjoyed the rain. You see the umbrella here. I'm really like, oh my goodness, my shoes. Guys, don't mind my shoes. It was fun. See you on the next.